There are a lot of myths when it comes to periods and menstrual cycle, right from period blood being impure to one should not exercise during their menstrual cycle. Today I am going to burst all these myths. This is me, Minidevan, and you're watching TheHealthSite and India.com.
Myth: you shouldn't exercise in your period. No, it's absolutely safe to work out even during your periods. Depending on your cramps and physical pain, if your body allows, one can absolutely exercise as per the routine. In fact, there are a lot of exercises and yoga postures that helps in getting relief from the cramps and can make you feel better. So there's no excuse to skip out on your fitness routines. Myth: irregular periods are alarming. No. Irregular periods are common and there is usually nothing to worry about. Periods can come early as well as late. Some common causes of irregular periods includes early stages of puberty, types of contraception that you're using, weight loss or gain, or even stress. But you can always consult your doctor if the gap prolongs. Myth: period blood is impure. No, it's not. Period blood is actually blood and vaginal mucus. It's not harmful or impure in any way. Myth: PMS is not real and it's really just all in the head. No. Premenstrual syndrome is a natural hormonal change and it happens every month before and sometimes even during the cycle. So yes, mood swings, anger, anxiety, stress during this time is for real and it's common with every woman. Sugar intake usually helps with the mood. Myth: tampons and menstrual cups hurt. No, it doesn't. It might be a bit uncomfortable initially, but once inserted properly and once you get used to them, it shouldn't hurt. In fact, one usually doesn't even feel the presence when placed in the correct manner. Myth: period cycle should at least be 5-day long. No. Everyone's cycle is different and every cycle is normal, be it 3 days or 6. It can last anywhere between 2 to 7 days, but if you still feel there's something unusual, do consult your doctor. What's most important is to have a menstrual cycle every month.
So don't believe in everything that you listen, always cross-check for facts. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content.